You see if me up and
You
me
never have sex and sleep?
jump asleep on it. And on we'll go.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we have a new she not new, she always like get featured in her videos and so forth, you know, but she never in the spotlight like that. So we have Denise today in the cuts in the video, so make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe to my channel, hit the subscribe button and the post notification bell beside it so you can be notified every time a video posts. And Denise is considering to make a vlog, a YouTube channel, not say a vlog channel, because she don't know her niche yet. But whenever she comes out with her ideas, I mean, I make sure she have her ideas them together, so that's when she start, she not stop. You understand? Now mind this is a little table we have to catch the phone from the tripod, because I don't bring any tripod up here. So yeah, so today we're going to do a video, how feminine are you? Listen, I don't know if my question them really feminine related or whatever, them just general, but let's start. So who wants to start first?
You start first.
Me start first? Alright, what make you want? You start first.
Okay. What's your ideal dinner conversation?
That relates to
First.
feminine?
Yeah. First, you have a heated debate about politics. Hearing about someone else's plans for the summer. Peaceful talk.
Is that feminine related?
Yeah.
Over dinner? Peaceful talk, I guess. Oh, you want? Question that we feel. Where you that go for?
Probably about the peaceful talk.
I know she coming to the question then. No, so this one that we feel like. How feminine are you? Do you shave every 2 weeks? We are talking about feminine, but I don't know where you come with dinner conversation.
No.
You don't shave every 2 weeks?
No.
So sometimes you move up on like a forest in the place.
Not necessarily one first, but not every 2 weeks.
Next question. For me, if I feel too forest, me shave. Yeah.
Call us so. Alright. Your friend calls you in tears. How do you handle the situation? Ask them what they're doing. Like why reason why them are cry. I perk up a bit. I'm good at listening. I listen to what they say, but I don't get too invested.
This come like one case studies me I get to research. Then you what kind of question them here? Ask the question again, ask him.
Your friend calls you in tears. How do you handle the situation? I ask them what's wrong, then try to get them to stop crying as fast as I can. I perk up a bit. I'm good at listening to people when they're upset. Lastly, I listen to what they say, but I don't get too invested.
Ask them what's wrong. And then tell them to stop crying. And then start listening what them say. So all I answer them kind of relate to it.
Yeah. Well, for me, first, mother sympathize with them. Like, you know, ask them why them a cry, all of them something there, and then but just try to get them to stop crying, because, you know.
Okay. When menstruating, do you shower first thing in the morning?
Yes, I do. First thing in the morning and then in the evening before I go to bed.
Yeah, definitely. Because sometimes you wake up and then, you know, even when you're not really messed up, you want to shower and so forth, right? Because you know, say, yeah. I don't know where you get your question in from. What's this, Tashoya again?
Okay, why do you create things? Out of a yearning for something better to do? To know that I finished something or I enjoy the process.
I don't know what kind of question them here. Them a question can relate it to man or anything.
You're finding out how feminine are you?
Alright, what you say? What question? Oh, when we create things.
Yeah. out of a yearning for something more or better, to know what I finished something, I enjoyed the process.
First one.
So you just create something?
No, I wait first one, so me just create something.
Like basically,
If you send me, wait first one say.
Out of a yearning for something more or better,
I wait second one say.
to know that I finished something.
To know that I finished. Oh, it was him. Which one will you go for?
Probably because me enjoy doing it. That me just create something because me like it. So
Why not all the time you create something? You just create something because sometimes you're lazy and or not lazy, you're bored and you just want.
yeah.
I guess your questions are related to the educational aspect part, and my part are related to the personal aspect part.
Okay.
What's your favorite part of your body as a female? You think it's your favorite part of your body?
My favorite part? Okay. Probably my face.
As a female, the favorite part of my body, what would be my favorite part of my body right now? I'm not on the bottom. So my bottom is my favorite part. My coochie.
Probably.
And my face.
Okay.
Your face is your only favorite part of your body? You want to come over more Tyson?
Probably my face and probably my breast.
My breast is too big, so I don't really love my breast.
Breast ain't hard.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, what do you like to play with growing up? Dolls, action figures, or
Dolls. Definitely dolls. Do you have that up?
it's the same for me.
No.
Like, just play with dolly. Play dolly house.
Mhm.
That look better for you.
Yeah, I love dollies. Me used to have Wally for dolly. Me have all one that's so raven dolly.
Like, what the young mother tell me, say, when me did younger, me have one dolly like literally bigger than me. Like, it's so tall. Like, I'm like,
Yeah, I think me did have dolly all in a prom too. I push dolly all over my face.
Yeah.
Like, me have all one glass dolly. Me have dolly, me have Barbie dolly, me have a Bratz dolly, big old head dolly them.
yeah.
Me have dolly because my mother used to go away.
Mhm.
We used to have dolly of every kind. Me have find out one dolly one day where when me have practice so me can do ear now. Me have glue in ear now, make bang and bob and
Me used
everything.
to cut off my dolly ear.
Me used to style in ear too. And try flat any. Why? Do you repeat your underwear? How female are you? Do you repeat your underwear?
When they're dirty, or like just
You wear it.
no.
Like you wear it. You never like you beard now and you go mash at work with your boyfriend and you take off your panty and you clean it and put it on the back.
No.
No.
As me take it, once me take it off, it just go in.
I'm not take me about it before. I'm not sure. I'm not my
Okay, which chore do you like the least? Dishes, laundry, or dusting?
dishes, laundry, dusting. I like none of them.
So which one you like the least?
Dishes, laundry. I don't like wash. Me wash plate them. Dusting. Me with dust, but me feel in a mood. Like you know, say Christmas a come and me want dust. You know, say that's the only way me love dusting. But I don't know which one I like. Love them.
The least. Which one prefer the least? Washing the dishes. Like, don't get me wrong, I wash a lot of dishes, but over it and washing, like I'll wash, I'll dust when I'm in the mood, but washing the dishes is just like, it's an everyday thing.
Alright,
so,
it's for me now, probably like if me have one dryer, me not have a man problem for but sometimes even me do have friend and me a trick clothes me lazy if it's in a dryer. So I guess I don't know.
Yeah.
Do you clean up after sexual intercourse? Do you clean up every time after sexual intercourse?
Definitely. Like, as soon as I finish, like, me can't sleep unless I'm going to the bathroom, I'm going to clean up. Or even bed. Just, you know, some sleep.
I channel you pretend find out your life.
I true, like for real.
Say them say you never like
just do it and go sleep.
Like do it and then drop asleep.
If me can't like as even while having sex. You see, if me feel sleepy, me I go just say, no, not tonight. You see, if me up and
You
me
never have sex and drop asleep.
and it.
Like,
No.
me not say, me tired before I find myself drop asleep when me wake up, me never but
No.
like you know like get up on humble like something with just a go on and like it just a start nothing too rushy.
Never. Like whenever me I have sex, it just so, you know, like me so excited about it. If me know me not go perform my best, me just make it stay till one next time. So
Me not say no, so I want me well tired, me mash work.
no.
Me drop asleep.
Okay, how do you prefer to wear your hair? Short, mid-length, or long?
Depends on the mood, how me feel. It should be miserable, like sometimes you want long hair, sometimes you want short hair, sometimes, and it depends on where you wear with. Sometimes some clothes you have on, you know, so you want that look better with short hair, that look better with it. Some I don't really have a preference. Which one I prefer? Long hair can have a vibe still, you know.
Yeah, but it can't just long and straight.
Yeah.
It have to have a nickel.
The lighting can't tell up a bit more, cause
Probably short hair. Alright with short hair, cause you know my face fat. So
well, short hair, you see short hair now, it's like when you have the ear and you cut the ear. Yeah, we roll it for a while, but yes, when you reach the process of like
no, me not mean short hair like
cut your
off.
Oh,
like shoulder length or something.
Alright. Do you get miserable when the house is dirty?
Yeah.
Me too. Me too.
Like French said miserable, me just know, yeah. Yeah.
If I'm dirty it up, me not miserable. But make somebody is dirty it up and me have to go, you know, say them dirty it up and me have to go clean it up back. Everything blew up sky high all over the place.
Like for me, whether me dirty it up or somebody else, me get miserable because me place nothing dirty. Nothing, none at all.
Sometimes if I try to like, you know, when we say, Tasha can that, and me say, me too take it up, man. But then I realize that me have to actually take it up, me kind of get frustrated too. My next question. You don't have a question, miss? You never come up with 10 questions?
I never eat.
I eat question we reach? No, we just say 5.
Alright, okay. When it comes to movies you love, which one you love? Action, drama, comedy?
Drama, comedy.
Drama, comedy.
I like action movie, I get afraid. Me not like action movie, me afraid in that process. You like action movie?
Action movie, it depends on my mood.
Yeah.
Like sometimes you watch it when me one next time I just want to laugh. One next time I want some romantic
I like romance. I love movie. Me like high school movie we have romance and a little drama, a little comedy. I hear a question, yeah.
Well, I have one.
Well, me have 2 after this. After this, me have 1 more. Do you behave as if you are your boyfriend's mother? Sometimes for me. Sometimes for me, like sometimes me say, why you do that? You know, like, and me know some look on you and give me like, yeah, say, you know my mother? Yeah. You know, do it, but you know, like, you know, sometimes there's some things like, yeah, say, you can't clean up that, you can't this. And I'm gonna do some person mother.
For me, it happens, but it's not all like I know, like me deliberately
do it, yeah.
But you know, because me have 2 younger sisters and like me always I tell them what to do because if me not tell them what to do, you know them not do.
Yeah.
So for me, like talking to him, sometimes me kinda, you know, it kinda slip up a little bit, but
yeah,
not intentional. Okay, does going out on camping sounds gross? Like heck no.
I've been on camping before. It is fun. You want to ask one more question for places?
Which cars are you interested in? Like sports cars, minivans, Jeeps, Honda?
I like Jeep. I like Jeep and I like big brand car. Like my dream car, I want one is either one Benz, one Audi, one Blvd. So it not really be them, but something like one nice big fat. When you see me, you have to excuse. You understand?
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, for me, my dream car basically is like, you know, RAV4. You know the RAV4 them? Something like that.
But better you get through one RAV4 can out of style.
No,
like
but you
car.
have like RAV4. No, it's not
Different
necessarily like RAV4, but you have
example.
like the shape of
Oh,
it and
yeah.
everything. Them like you know them.
Alright. This is my final question. Do you make sure your ear is properly groomed? You always make sure your ear properly groomed? Right now, one of this at here. Oh, you know what? See my head. So me can attest to that. Me can testify to say my ear is always properly groomed. I lie with that till sometimes you see me at the house and you wonder which mad woman that. My ear always properly groomed.
Like for me, no.
Sometimes
Like
you want all a vibe. Like when you hear leg going free, you feel like you're under a vibe.
yeah, but you know if you come out after my boy, but
Like if you have natural hair, boy, what if you have cream
creamy
hair?
hair.
Me not tell lie. And you know, I wake up sometime, I wake up and I feel like I some hair tell people, oh, you know, to go and say, you can't comb your head. And then, yeah.
like sometimes for me, me get up and me hear just all about the place. And the next time I just get up and feel pretty and you see me here twisting or you know.
Yeah.
But not every time.
That's true. Yeah.
I have one next question. How often do you shop? And do you like it?
Who don't like shopping? If me have $1 million right now as extra money, me I spend $1 million buy clothes I don't want, because this is just me. Me like see clothes. It's like if you always have an option for like pick and choose, refuse. Me not like when you have unlimited amount. Well, I've never really been in a situation where I have unlimited amount. Probably like if me up on board, you know, me not get all of the stuff. Then when me I feel like
Just plan out something. Yeah.
But other than that, I love shop.
I'm like shop as well, but sometimes it's a bit frustrating because you know trying on
Shopping
clothes.
frustrated?
Yes, it can be.
Lazy.
Well, probably.
Actually,
but, you know, it can be very frustrating. Like you're going for the entire day and you just walk up and down in a shop. Like sometimes it's fun when you have the right company, but then sometimes, like if you go shop alone, like you just say, you know what, I'm gonna so come. Or if you go with somebody when not all that fun. You understand? Nah. May have one next question, but ask one next question. Just one more. This is a bonus question, guys.
How feminine are you? Do you think it's okay for a woman to have more than one boyfriend?
Oh my gosh. Okay, well, it's all about what you prefer. It's all about what you prefer. If one man can satisfy you, then have one next one. But for me, it's just one. It's just one. Just one.
With the purposes, people.
Yeah. Last question.
What your last question?
Your ideal date, what would it be? Like, so if you have your plans, if you have the option to go out with a guy, what would you plan?
My ideal date. Wherever me I go, me have to drive go there, and like a helicopter come and pick me up, and then we go to this place. This is one place I like in Portland. Like you can go normally international airport, and the helicopter come see over there and carry go over there. Me see one place. The place name, me have go look for it. Me see it on Instagram. And like helicopter carry and carry go over there. And like in bathroom the outside, you know, like them nice we bathtub out the door, and like you shower out the door. Me love that. That would be my idea. And then me go and then bed full of something and champagne from bed. And me not the champagne type, but you know, something romantic. And then at the end of the day, the man just ask me to marry him. Bomba! That would be so.
Yeah, that would be really nice because you know you plan something and then at the end of the planning you get. You know,
yeah. What's your ideal proposal?
Oh my gosh, like me think about that every day, but to be honest, I just want it to be a surprise, like some exciting stuff. Me no want no if a family run when I propose, no, cause you know, but me just want something like
Me always have
It's
that.
all about me.
Yeah, me always have that thought of like having getting like in our public and in shout out, everybody, I have enough men, blah 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 blah.
Like for me, like we could be at
That's
a
so
be at a function. Like say we there some like one little party or no
Yeah.
like just one get together and in just everybody know about it except me. So everybody know it's
Oh God.
just like
God.
like when like probably the years I talk to Tash and then when me look him around here son
I feel no girl. No. That's true. That's true. That is like our ID proposal for Trina again. Nice,
Definitely.
true, nice.
But me hope like the man of the idea because I can want that and I don't necessarily get it.
That's true.
So
Trick or time as woman, we normally want some things that we don't get it. That's true. We just dream about it and then things just happen in a different way. Like life should have been.
yeah.
But guys, that's the end of this video. If you haven't hit that subscribe button, make sure to go subscribe. Then it may encourage Denise to start our channel. So whenever she starts it, I will promote it over here. You guys go and subscribe as well.
Guys, if you think I should do this YouTube channel, comment down below.
Yeah.
And let us know what you think.
Comment if you watch all of the video reach a part here and you hear Denise asking us to motivate her. If you don't think I don't like her, comment down below and let us know what you think she should do for our YouTube channel. So yes guys, until another video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit the post notification bell, comment down below, and bye.